Is your iPhone refusing to charge? Don't rush to the repair shop just yet. This is a super common problem, and trust me, most of the time the fix is surprisingly simple and something you can do right at home in just a few minutes. So take a deep breath and let's walk through the steps together to get your iPhone powered up again. First things first, let's look at the most frequent culprit: the charging accessories. Your trusty charging cable and adapter go through a lot of wear and tear. Grab a different cable and a different power brick if you have one. Try plugging it into a different wall outlet or even a USB port on your computer. You'd be amazed how often a frayed, hidden break in the cable is the real issue. If a new cable works, you've found your problem. Easy, right? Still no luck. Okay, on to step 2. It's time to play detective with your iPhone's charging port. This little opening is a magnet for pocket lint, dust, and all sorts of tiny debris. Over time, that gunk gets packed in there and can physically block the charging cable from making a solid connection. Now, be very gentle here. You can use a wooden or plastic toothpick or even a soft, dry toothbrush to carefully scoop out any lint you see. Don't use anything metal like a paperclip, as you could damage the sensitive pins inside. Shine a light in there and make sure it's completely clear. If you've checked your cable and cleaned the port and it's still not charging, let's try a classic tech support trick: a simple restart. Sometimes a minor software glitch can mess with the charging process. Just press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Slide it to turn off your iPhone, wait about 30 seconds, and then press and hold the side button again to turn it back on. This quick reboot can clear up temporary software bugs and often gets things working perfectly again. If you've tried all that and your iPhone is still stubbornly refusing to charge, there's one more thing to check before considering a repair. Head into your Settings app, scroll down and tap on Battery, then tap on Battery Health and Charging. Look at the maximum capacity percentage. If this number is really low, say below 80%, it means your battery has aged and might not be able to hold a charge effectively anymore. In this case, a battery replacement might be what you need. But for the vast majority of you, one of the first 3 steps, checking the cable, cleaning the port, or restarting your phone will have solved the problem. I hope this guide helped you get your iPhone charging again. If it did, a thumbs up on the video would be awesome. For more helpful tech tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.